SEMA 2018 coverage is brought to you by Gear Wrench. Check them out at gearwrench.com.
Do you want me to tell you when we're rolling?
No, because you're rolling right now. You're always rolling. You're always rolling.
Dan's got that one right.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to SEMA 2018. Today we're here with Kelly. Something cool, especially you Ventrac owners out there. You're always getting flat tires, right? What do you go with? Usually tire slime. Never works, right? Or may work like 10% of the time. Well, I'm here with Kelly from Multi-Seal, and he's going to show you guys something just completely amazing, unbelievable. Let's see what we got. What do we got?
Got a big spike. I got a Bobcat tire, and I'm going to put a big hole in this. My best David Copperfield right here.
Wow, I don't know if you guys heard that over the noise, but right away it's sealed. How does it do that?
Well, we use synthetic fibers, including DuPont Kevlar. And what it does is the escaping air forces the fibers and the fillers into the wound, and it creates a permanent fiber plug.
Wow.
In fact, this is a tire from last year's show, and you can see the fiber plugs.
Oh my God, it's like really hard.
Absolutely.
Wow, so I mean, you don't even have to, because most people are going to be like, oh wow, I got a nail in my tire, even though this fixed it, they're going to go get it replaced. You don't have to, you can just keep
That's
going.
correct. We just
You're
tell
good.
you, pull the nail out, rotate the tire so that it's at the bottom where the sealant pool is, seals it right up.
Wow, so heavy equipment, tractors, passenger vehicles?
Anything but a passenger car, light duty truck, or SUV.
Okay, why is that?
Because you have tire pressure monitoring system. The little sensor that sits inside your tire,
Right.
this product will touch it and turn on the light.
But if I had like a 1986 Jeep CJ with no tire pressures, I'm good to go?
You're good. Just call us for dosage.
Wow, that's okay, so dosage, so that's important, how much to
Correct.
put in there, because you could overdo it or underdo it.
That's correct. You can. So you want the ample amount to give you proper performance, but you don't want to overdose the tire and cause balance issues.
Right.
So we provide an application guide. It has all the tire sizes on it. If you happen to have a tire size that isn't on the guide, just ring us up. We'll help you out.
All right, cool, man. And then if they want to find out where to get your product, where do they go?
www.multiseal.us.
Multiseal.us. All right, you guys. Very cool. Very cool stuff, you guys. And we saw this on Stanley the Dirt Monkey at GIE. I don't know if you guys saw it on Instagram, but it blew up Instagram, and it definitely works. It's my first time witnessing it, and I'm definitely going to use it in the Ventrac. So we'll have more on it soon, and don't forget to check out Tools in Action. And don't forget to check out Stanley's channel, because he's the cameraman today.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.